Unlike most dozers, you'll find the D71-24's engine radiator is at the back of the machine. This puts it out of the path of dirt and damage from the blade area and helps reduce debris buildup. Your crew will find radiator maintenance is simple with a hydraulically assisted flip-up fan with lock lever, which keeps them from having to climb over the C-frame or tracks. If you need to break up hard materials, a 3-shank scarifier with integrated hold valve is available from the factory on all models. Find out how its cost-saving engineering and efficiency-enhancing smart technology can help your operation seek maximum productivity, job after job.